Finnovation. It's spring now. So, the obvious question is,
where are the gnomes going to live?
in their gnome sweet home that we're going to build them. Let's go check the materials. Okay, these are the materials you're going to need. You're going to need a hand drill or a power drill. I have a hand drill. You're going to need some circular drill bits about the size that you want your windows to be. You're going to need a little bit of plastic so you can make the windows and cut them out. I'm just using a blueberry container. A chisel, a hammer, a penny, a little piece of wire. You could probably use a rock. This is just going to be the handle for our door. Some pipe. I'm going to use this for a chimney. And you're going to need a log that has a big kind of knot in it that sort of looks like a door. This one works great. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is get our hand drill and attach the drill bit that is pretty big and about the size you want your window to be. I'm just going to drill this out. I'll check back once it's done. Okay, the next thing that we're going to do after we have our hole in, I did that, and then we're going to put a wood chisel, put it in right here, and start hammering in like this. It's important to note that the flat side goes in at the top and the slanted side goes in facing like down, I guess. I'll cut this into a time lapse and check back in once I'm done. Okay, so I finished drilling the hole. I also did one on the other side, same exact way. Now what we're going to do is paint it black. So I'm going to get a paintbrush and some black paint and paint it. I'll take a time lapse of that. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we are going to make our windows. So you're going to take your drill bit that you used and take a marker of some sort and just draw around the outside. That's pretty messy, but now I've just got to cut that out. Okay, that was one. Now I've just got to make the second. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is take our hot glue gun and get a few sticks. I just found these on the ground outside and glue them going across your windows. Perfect. Now I'm just going to stick it on. Then you're going to need about 4 of those. And then cut 2 of them in half. And stick them on. Oop, hot glue. Then we're going to take another one, a little bit of glue, and do this on both windows. Perfect. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is once we have our windows is take them and glue around the edges of the wood. There we go. And then just going to keep on gluing a little bit at a time. There we go. Now I've just got to do the same thing for the other window. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is take our hand drill and have a drill bit that's the same size as a handle you want to use. At the beginning I showed that I was using wire, but I changed to just a little bit of a button. So I'm just going to drill it right in. There we go. Okay, so now that we have that hole in, I'm just gonna put a little hot glue in there. Gotta fill it up. Some hot glue. And stick our doorknob in. There we go. Wow, now we have the majority of the house complete. Now what we have to do is add a chimney. So I have a pipe right here that's a little bit bent, and I have it cut at the top with some little squares in it. You probably don't have to do that, but I'm gonna put a penny on top of it so that when it kind of looks like one of those old-fashioned chimneys. So I've got a drill at an angle right now so that it kind of goes in like that. So gotta get drilling. Okay, I got the hole drilled in. Fits in pretty well. Now I've just gotta glue it. Okay, the next thing we're gonna do is take a penny, or I just have one that has a little, like kind of weird shape to it. And we bent it a little bit. Just put some hot glue on the top. Stick your penny on. And that is it. I'm just gonna glue this on a little bit better. And this is the finished product. Okay, right now this is my gnome garden. My goal right now is to clean it up. I just finished doing my houses. They look pretty great. This was one I had from earlier, and this is the one I just built. So I'm gonna take a time lapse of me cleaning up my gnome garden. I have lots of materials, as you can see. Let's cut into it. Wow, that turned out pretty great. That gnome house looks cozy.
Gnomes? That reminds me of a joke, Finn.
Oh no, what could it be?
Where in the newspaper do gnomes look to make their gnome house better?
I don't know. Where?
The gnome improvement section.
I don't get it. Whatever. Subscribe, leave a like, comment down below what I should do next. Bye!